Hello everyone and welcome again to the SQL course. Okay, so now it's time for our case study. Let's go for the practical part, and in this case study we'll have plenty of practical exercises for you to study. I hope you have also completed the quiz that I've prepared for you before this lecture. So I'm here in the course materials. We are on 2 basic querying. We can go to case study folder and open this Word document that we have right here, case study basic querying. So here we are going to practice everything that we've learned so far. So let's go forward and understand what we have to do in this case. We are part of this company called Books and Books, a company that sells both books in retail stores, physical stores, and also in online stores. So you are the first hire of the IT department at the company. So the first exercise, you have to open and run this BooksDB SQL file to create and populate a sample of the tables from the Books and Books database. This will enable you to train how to open SQL files and also run them similar to what we've done when creating the Sakila database. The second exercise, you have to select all the books released after the year 2000. Exercise 3, you have to select all the books where the first name is Stephen and you only have to subset the book name column. In exercise 4, you'll calculate the average of number of pages by author first name. The output mean column, or the average column output of this one, should be named mean_pages. In exercise 5, you need to filter all the authors whose mean pages is higher than 600. So until here, we will be dealing with a lot of clauses and query clauses that we've seen so far. In exercise 6, you'll order the rows from the books table by number of pages in descending order. So the exercise 7 and all the exercises that contain this little flame means that these concepts may not be approached during the course materials itself, so a specific function or any other concept. In this case, you need to rely on Google search to find the solution, or at least to understand how you can do this solution. This is to mimic what is commonly used or commonly done in real life when we are developing code, which is we don't know all the code on our mind. Of course, we don't know every function available here in SQL or any other language, so we have to develop this skill. Okay, so in exercise 7, you have to select all the authors, first and last name, that have more than one book in the books table. Exercise 8, select all columns and rows from the books table and create a new column named full name consisting of the concatenation between the first name and last name. Use a white space to connect the two names. This should be easy because we've done something similar in the practical lectures. Exercise 9, build a column where you divide the number of pages of each book by 10. You don't need to select anything else, just name the column nb_pages_div. Have a go at these exercises. The next lecture will be on the solutions, where we'll go step by step by each question and you will be able to solve them with me, but attempt first on your own so that you are able to practice, because this practical part is really important for you to become a bit more hands-on here on SQL, and it will be a lot of the value that you get from this course. I'll see you in the next lecture.